Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with an unboxing, new addition to the collection. Do a quick wristwatch check. Wearing that G-Shock. I apologize about the barking dog. I got my windows open. My neighbor's dog tends to be a little bit loud. But anyways, as you can see, I got the Maurice Lacroix. As most of you know, I went with the Aikon. See, it's got the pretty cool box here. You've all seen the paperwork here. Nothing new there. Come with a pretty nice box though. The fit and finishing on this thing is really killer. As you can see, I got the blue dial. The only thing on these is the movement is Salida instead of ETA. That's about my only knock on the watch, but I've had Salida. I have Salida on my Zen, as you know, and I have no problems with it at all. But as you can see, I went with the Aikon. Look for a full review on this guy coming up another week or two once I've had it for a little bit. You see the fit and finishing, still got some plastic on there, sorry. But you can see the fit and finishing on this thing, like I said, is really killer, especially for the price. These retail about $1,900, I believe, and of course, you know, you can work a deal with Ross to get it a little bit cheaper. Let them know I sent you. This Aikon is really killer. He overnighted it to me from Charlotte to Myrtle Beach. Like I said, the fit and finishing on this thing is really killer. Bracelet's really comfortable. This is what I would consider a Royal Oak on a budget. As you can see, that dial and everything looks really killer. I'm really impressed by this watch. Definitely glad I went this route. But anyways guys, this has been a quick little unboxing of my Maurice Lacroix Aikon. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, peace.